Jimmy out here.
TJ followed by Sam, Trevor, and Jimmy Oaks.
I really want to see some door banging and holding hands. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I want to see a right hand drive, a left hand drive, knee turn, and it's in a handy. Get up in there to know, but there we go. Oh, you see, you got the door right there, too. You got
They did
it.
an absolutely great job of putting on a show, yet keeping it clean.
Yep. He signed his door. Real nice, real clean. Like that. Best kind of Sharpie. You can remove it with just a little bit of Goo Gone or
Sign it
WD-40 for those of you who don't know.
wax and grease remover melts it right off. Whole
WD-40.
bunch of solvent.
I got that in the toolbox. My boss likes to start nice
I'm
and
a body
clean.
man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got the left. I gotta give it to you for Monster Performance. That car is just phenomenal.
I was checking that car out.
RB30,
30 minutes on the
winner,
break.
dog box, everything, dude. That
I mean,
car
the
is
fabrication
sauce.
is beautiful. It's clean. Everything's painted. Everything's finished.
It hits the junk like a boss, too.
Yeah, and it hits.
That's one of our sponsor drivers for KC. That's why it's amazing.
It's 8,000 RPM.
426 stroker in it or 423 stroker in it.
Either
Thing is
way.
nasty. He wanted us to add nitrous to it for the last round of FD. You're like, you really want to try something new? Your last round, like, hold off. We'll do it before clutch kicks.
Sounds like a guy who likes to party.
He loves to party. Likes Canadian beer, eh?
Hey, those Canadians
Big
are always
Canadian
down to
guy.
party.
Took him like 6 days to get here. He rode his boots down. Yeah, shot. That's the quick exit right there.